Thinking about buying a new build in Edmonton? Today I'm going to answer the questions that most buyers ask me. Let's get started. One reason buyers love new builds is it's all new. The roof, the furnace, the appliances. That means less maintenance and fewer surprises. Modern floor plans, energy efficiency, smart home features, warranty coverage. Those are some of the biggest advantages that buyers tell me they love. If you're a first-time home buyer, there may be programs available to help. The new GST rebate for eligible buyers is creating a lot of excitement. That's why it's very important for you to review your options before you buy. This is one of the most common questions I get. Do I need a realtor when buying a new build? The answer is yes. The builder has representation, and you should have representation too. Neither option is better, they're just simply different. A new build gives you modern features. A resale home may offer a larger lot and an established neighborhood. The right choice depends on your goals. A new build may be right for you if you want less maintenance, if you want modern design, and if you want warranty protection. It's calling you if you want a fresh start. If you're considering a new build in Edmonton and area, feel free to reach out, and I'm happy to discuss your options with you.